AI was supposed to replace developers, until it couldn't. The truth about AI in 2026. Back in 2023, tech CEO made a bold prediction. AI would replace 80% of developers by 2026. The media ran headlines. Investors panicked. And developers? Many wondered if their careers were about to vanish overnight. Fast forward to today, companies are hiring more developers than ever. But here's the twist. It's not because AI failed, it's because we finally understood what software development actually is. If you're learning to code, or worried about your job, what I'm about to show you will change everything. The AI hype that shook the developer world. In March 2024, a company called Cognition AI launched Devin, billed as the first fully autonomous AI software engineer. The demo? Mind-blowing. Devin could plan applications, write code, test, and even deploy software, all on its own. It solved real GitHub issues, passed engineering interviews, and the internet went wild. Developer Twitter exploded. Panic, disbelief, fear. People were asking, is this it? Are developers obsolete? But here's what happened when people actually tried using Devin on real-world projects. The hype collapsed almost immediately. Devin could handle simple, isolated tasks in controlled environments. But give it a real production codebase with complex business requirements, and it struggled. The reality hit. AI isn't a replacement. It's a tool, and software development is far more than just writing code. The context problem. AI can't see the whole picture. Here's the first big challenge. Context. Sure, AI can build a to-do app in 30 seconds. Impressive, right? But production software is hundreds of thousands of lines of code, spread across dozens of interconnected files. AI has a limited context window. It can't hold your entire code base in memory at once. Ask it to refactor a feature that touches 47 files. And suddenly, inconsistencies appear, functionality breaks, and you're back at square one. A recent study analyzed 153 million lines of AI-generated code. The results? Code churn doubled compared to human-written code. And the security implications? 1 in 5 companies reported production incidents caused by AI code slipping through undetected. The problem isn't AI being bad. It's AI being too literal, too narrow, and context-blind. Even well-trained models struggle to maintain architectural consistency across large systems. Dependencies, edge cases, and legacy code often get ignored or misinterpreted. Unit tests can catch some issues, but integration and system-level problems still slip through. Teams must still review, test, and verify every AI-generated change. Without human oversight, scaling AI in complex software becomes risky. Context isn't just nice to have, it's the difference between working software and chaos. The requirements problem. Hidden rules AI can't see. Then there's the requirements problem. A client says, we need a payment system. Simple, right? But the real world isn't simple. Ask the right questions. What payment providers? Refunds? Failed transactions? Recurring subscriptions? International currencies? Tax calculation? Fraud detection? Suddenly, one small request becomes 50 business rules. Clients don't always know the rules themselves. They only surface when you dig, ask, and clarify. I once watched a developer spend 2 weeks building a booking system. Perfect architecture, clean code. The client reviews it and says, wait, what about group bookings? What about cancellations within 24 hours? Members versus non-members? AI can't extract these hidden rules. It takes instructions literally, while developers anticipate the questions that matter. Without human judgment, the code may work, but it will fail in the real world. And in business, failure isn't just costly, it's catastrophic. The decision-making problem. Coding isn't just syntax. Every line of code is a trade-off. Do you optimize for speed or readability? Do you ship a feature now or wait for more users? Do you tackle technical debt or launch a new product? These aren't just coding decisions, they're business decisions. AI can generate a solution that technically works, but it doesn't consider your team's expertise, deadlines, budget, or long-term maintenance. It doesn't think about the junior developer who will inherit this code 6 months later, or the cost of fixing subtle bugs later. I've seen AI suggest solutions that work in theory, but would create maintenance nightmares 6 months down the line. That's the difference between writing code and engineering software for humans to maintain and use. AI doesn't make judgment calls. Humans do, and in software, judgment is everything. AI isn't useless, it's a power tool. But here's the thing. AI isn't useless. It's incredibly powerful if you use it correctly. Think of it like a power drill. Before drills, carpenters spent hours with hand tools. The drill didn't replace them, it made them faster, more precise, more efficient. AI is the power drill for developers. Repetitive code, done in seconds. Database schemas, boilerplate APIs, test templates, minutes instead of hours. It can show you recursion versus iteration in seconds. But you're still in control. You review, refine, and integrate. AI executes tasks, you make decisions. This is critical. The narrative isn't AI replaces developers. It's developers using AI to move faster, smarter, and focus on problems AI can't solve. The data doesn't lie. AI boosts productivity, not replaces. Studies show developers using AI are 35% more productive. That's not replacement. That's supercharging human skills. The best developers aren't being replaced. They're being enhanced. They write more code, ship faster, and focus on the hard strategic problems AI can't touch. And the industry is responding. Companies are hiring more developers than ever because faster coding means faster feature release. And every business wants more features. Software is everywhere. Every company is now a software company. Every workflow is being automated. But the skills that matter are shifting. The new skills that matter in the AI era. Syntax matters less. AI handles that. What matters now is understanding the problem you're solving, breaking vague requirements into concrete specifications, designing scalable, maintainable architecture, navigating ambiguity in business and technical decisions. These are the skills AI can't replicate. And in a world where everyone has access to AI that writes code, developers who understand systems are invaluable. The more you master judgment, context, and architecture, the more irreplaceable you become. AI doesn't replace creativity, critical thinking, or strategic vision. It amplifies it. Anticipating unintended consequences becomes a core competency. Translating technical possibilities into real-world impact separates average developers from leaders. Collaboration and communication with non-technical stakeholders grow more important than ever. Systems thinking allows you to predict bottlenecks and design solutions proactively. Ethical reasoning and understanding AI limitations create long-term value. Mastering these skills means your work scales beyond what any AI can generate alone. The bottom line: AI versus developers. Here's the truth. AI was supposed to replace developers because everyone thought coding was just typing syntax. Reality check? Software development is problem-solving. It's understanding messy human needs. It's navigating ambiguity. It's making judgment calls where stakes are high. AI can generate code, but it can't navigate ambiguity. That's why developer demand is skyrocketing, not shrinking. The future isn't AI versus humans. It's developers who can wield AI as a force multiplier versus those who don't. The ones who learn to use AI as a tool, who know when to delegate and when to intervene, will dominate the next decade. They're not just developers. They're architects of the future of software. Supercharge your career. Developers who master AI are about to have an incredible decade. Faster development, more features, bigger impact, all while staying irreplaceable. If you want to know the 5 skills that make you untouchable in the AI era, I just made a video breaking down each one. Click it, learn, and secure your future. Remember, AI didn't kill the developer, it elevated the craft. The question is, are you ready to evolve? Or are you still thinking AI is the enemy? Here's the truth. AI isn't the competition. It's the secret weapon of the developer who wants to thrive.